In this video, I'll show you how you can add the text in Photoshop document horizontally as well as vertically. So let's get started. Here we have got a simple Photoshop document and I'm gonna add the text on the top of this layer. So basically we have got the text tool, special text tool for this purpose, and you can find it here. You can see this is the text tool. So you can see this is a horizontal type tool. So if you are you have selected different tool and you want to select the text tool, just type the T and then you can see that text tool is selected. So if you right click on this, you can see that there are other tools as well. So vertical type tool, vertical type mask tool, horizontal type mask tool as well. If you want to like type horizontally, then you can select the horizontal type tool, and then wherever you want to write, just click here and then you can start writing. So I'm just gonna drag it down a little bit down. So just select move tool and then you can drag it like this, and there you can select the fonts and everything. So just select the text tool once again here, and then you can change the color of this text tool from here. You can also change the font as well like this. You can reduce the font size, font name can be changed as well, and there are a lot of other options as well. So if you click here in the character section, you can shrink and expand, and there are several other options over there which you can explore. So that is how you can create the horizontal text. But if you want to create the vertical text, what you have to do is just right click here and then select the vertical type tool, and now if you start typing, you will notice that it has created this vertical layout, and here you can type, so for example, hi, and then I'm just gonna reduce the size just to make it clear. That's it. That's how you can create the horizontal as well as vertical text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.